This video is a part of a longer video about buying iPhone 12 in 2024. I'll put the link to the full video into the description and the pinned comment. If you find this video helpful or interesting, please subscribe to Frytech channel. I would really appreciate it. Sort of conclusion at the end. Should you switch to iPhone 12 in 2024? It's all the time about the money, right? If you have about $400 and you're thinking about buying like a newer iPhone, go for 12, at least 12, because there is MagSafe, there are like new features, essentially, there is newer processor, and these phones will be supported for way longer. Again, there is this like night photo, front camera is really great. Like, if you can, I would really say, if you can, go for a Pro model, even 12. Go for 12 Pro because it's gonna have like a LiDAR sensor, it's gonna make better portrait photos with all the blur, because the LiDAR will be also calculating sort of the distance, the depth of field essentially, and the cutout will be better because portrait mode on this phone is not that great. But again, I'm gonna be talking about that in a separate video, right? If you can, I would go for like 13 Pro, because sometimes you can find them for like $500. If you can, I would probably go for that. And 13 Pro, essentially, I would go for a Pro model right now, but that's like my stuff, because 13 Pro added like macro photography, there is night portraits, but that's again because I do a lot of sort of stuff in the night essentially, so night things matter to me. If it doesn't matter to you, you can go even for 13, although like between 13 and 12, really, I don't see that big of a difference. If you're going for higher model, go for a Pro, or more expensive, go for a Pro model, because Pro models really have sort of more benefits to it. Okay, once again, I'm gonna be making way more content about Apple and iPhones, so subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys, bye bye.